everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Gen X Budgets and my name is Sheila. Today I bring you Throat Punch Thursday. Yeah, I'm coming in hot too. I don't know about y'all, but I don't know what's going on. Like, work has been, I'm really thankful and grateful that I have a job, but work has been just a strain. Like, I started working before 7 o'clock this morning, and I just got through working. And I probably should have stayed and worked a little longer, but I'm like, my mental capacity is done. Okay. Anyway, I'm glad that I have this outlet that I can do this. It honestly does help take some of the weight off your shoulders, or I guess just the levity and the severity of, the workload. And this is where I can have fun. And yeah, it's budgeting and it's finance, but it's not something I have to do a spreadsheet on and do Excel and tell people, bad news, good news, whatever the case may be. So anyway, thank you for letting me enjoy my time with you. And thank you for spending some time with me. So if you have been here before for Throat Punch Thursday, you would recognize this binder. Well, let's go ahead and get these placed so that we can begin playing and hopefully giving everybody a little bit of love, because everybody needs some love. Am I right? All right, so if y'all didn't tune in yesterday, you didn't see that somebody shopped at Amazon. It works. And I also got a vacuum, but you'll probably see that because there are some scratchers in this. And I bet I land on one. Let's put it down there a little ways so that the money doesn't... All right, I think everybody can see there's nothing else we need to do but put some money down. Speaking of money, I happen to have some. You want to see it? Great, I want to share it. So if I kind of try to go by previously, we needed some 20s, right? So I tried to add some in. I don't know if it's right or wrong or whatever, but I have some more cash right back there. All right. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 95, 100, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 130 is correct. Can you see the money? Hopefully you see the money. Hopefully it's not after this video when I realize y'all couldn't see the money the whole time. Because I know that's what you guys like. Yeah, you can see the money. It's right here. Okay. So we have our 10-sided die. We're going to start with purple because we always give the purple a chance. And this is the one that came with this tower. This is a 3D printable from the Budgeting Introvert. And this is the die that came with it. So keeping that handy just in case. Okay. So what happens is that I can just put the money here, right? Because the challenges are different things. The challenges have different things. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Or shall we mix it up? Want to mix it up? Let's mix it up. Let's take the 10 and move it to 4. Let's take the Let's take the 6 and move it to 2. You want to move it to 2? Let's move it to 2. Why not? Why not? 6 and 2. All right. So there we go. Still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. All right. We roll the die when we pay what we need to play. And number 2. Oh my gosh. It's lucky day, right? What did we, aw, poor Boo. Poor that one lost. All right. So right out of the chute, I'm going to go, you know what? I'm going to do 15 because it's, you know, it's not small, but it's not large. So we're doing 15. 10 and 15. All right, we'll put that like that for now. Next. 5. Oh, this is that darn scratcher that is a little big. All right, it is what it is. We landed on it. We got to do it. All right, scratching tool right here. Let's go ahead and do let's do right here in the corner. Oh no. Shoo, it's 10. It's a tenner. I'm breathing a sigh of relief, I'll be honest with you. I think again this is 165. I have it written on the back. I will look in just a moment. And if you were here yesterday, you saw that I got this, but you didn't see it in action because I didn't have any scratchers. And it has a faster speed too. Woo! All right. So this is indeed 165. All right, moving on. Number 10. 10 is getting 5. For number 10. And didn't we move this one too? Yeah, I think we did. Yep, we did. And it's number 6. 4, 5, 6. All right, this one moved too, so it made out. Either way. Oh, so for this, we're going to do 15. And why 15? Because if I land on it again, I want to have 10 open. That's why. In case you were wondering, 10, 15. Who knew I'd be out of 10s first? Moving on. Number 4. And again, I don't know if you remember, this is 5 each. The reason why this is called Throat Punch Thursday is because these are for my bills. And bills are like a throat punch every single time, are they not? These are my bills that I stuff. I don't stuff a lot. I do stuff like my subscriptions, my annual fees. I stuff my property tax, my water, and transportation I save for the next time I lease. And I think that's it. Yeah. But it is important to me to have it. So yeah, that's why I'm doing this. 4 is the same one. Yes, it is. So we are doing, I am going to break a 20 because who knew that would happen? And we have 4 20s or 4 5s. 4 5s. We're going to put another 5 right here. I know you're probably thinking, why didn't you just grab a 10? Well, because you can use 5s as 10s. you can't use 10s, it's 5s. 8, new one, and this is the scratcher. All right, and let's see. Lucky's, we actually went there for a date night this week, my husband and I, so I have to unstuff for this. Not this one, but I will have to unstuff. All right, what we got here? 10, we got a 10, all right. Ooh, so sorry. All right. Next. And we got 7, little by little. And what I do with that one is I roll a 20-sided die to see what it comes near. And it is a 6. What is near a 6? So I don't know if you can see this. Looks like 9 is near the 6. All right, so we'll do the 9. Actually, there's only one 9. Let's go ahead and do a 10 instead. Let's do 10. And let me grab a marker. 10. Gracious me, we're out of... Okay. Again, I put a 20 away and grab 2 10s. So I'm going to put a 10 here. And I'm also going to change. Oh, look at this gross 10 from the bank today. No, from the bank. When did I go? From the bank yesterday. Look at this. Ugh, so gross. So I'm taking these 2 5s back just in case. All right. And 4. 4 is lucky spot. And this just got moved. 8. 8 is also a lucky spot. Let's scratch. Let's stay in the top row, shall we? 4, definitely can handle a 4. And it's still going. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, crappy 1. But it spends. And we got a... I'm not doing 4 again. We got a 2. We already landed on 2, but it's something different. Let's go with 6. Number 6. You're probably like, well, why 6? And I will tell you, it's because it's, it's not the lowest number I can hit on here, though it's pretty good, so that's why. And 7. This one again. All right. Oh, and this time we got a 13, so we have a 13 on here. Let me grab a different color marker. 13. All right, 10, 11, 12, 13. Six. Beautiful savings again. We're at a point in time now that I'm just going to try to get some hit that we didn't get to. So this one is going to get 5. We're going to finish We're going to finish this heart. It's an ombre effect, almost. We might come back to that. 5 for there. This one was done, this one's done, this one's done. This one was not done. All right, these are pretty hefty. This one is, let me see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can't do 10. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so we're going to do 15 on this one. Oh, we only have 115 left. Whew. Okay. All right, so we did 15 here, which puts 5 open for here. We actually have 7, so, but 7 is not an option. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I'm going to put the $2 that was left over. I'm going to put it, actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to add it into here, and I'm going to take off the 6 and put it as an 8, just so that it can go somewhere. That's what I'm going to do. So hold the phone, hold the line, please. Go from 6. Maybe we'll go from 6. Yep, to 8. All right, and that's what we did. We went from, what in the world did I do here? Oh, okay, I didn't put 3 back. And there's that one. All right, let me get these kind of situated a little bit, make some room here so that you can see what's going on, and not concentrate on my off coloring, and I will come right back. Be right back in 2 and 2. Okay, everyone, so as normal, we will count these up, and then we will condense as we go along. So let's go ahead and get started. I think we're far away from having anything condensed, and anything completed. We will start with the number 1 position, and number 1 we put in 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what we have for this is from Sav Saves. This is a Tetris challenge, and I played this several times before starting a YouTube channel, and now I'm bringing it over here. So let's trade these ones in for a 5, and altogether we have 5, 6, 25 for this challenge. So of course the 500 is in a high yield savings account. And what I will probably do with that then is put that in, I don't know. Actually, I shouldn't say anything. All right, so I'm not going to. So let's rewind that. This is, I call it the Mini Hearts Challenge. This is from Budget with Cat. Love her. She had these, she calls them a trio or sister. And I do this all the time too, because 24 is the highest number. It's a very doable challenge, and it's you save 300. So yeah, today it got 23. So that was 15 and 8, and they are colored. All right, we're adding it up. We're adding it into what we already have. Here we go. 50, 60, 70, 50, 70, 90, 100, 105, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 110. And it still has 110. All right, so we're doing good here. And I like how we did it too, how we switched it up and moved a couple things around. I think I'll continue to do that. And I think we also, we hit everything because we stopped letting the dice control it. So I kind of like how that happened too. Everybody got something. I'll contemplate that. So today it's getting 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And we're adding that to 20, 40, 60, 75, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 85. So let's do that. 85 is pretty stinking good. This challenge is from Celeste Budgets, and it is $420 challenge. Or $420, as some of my friends may say. Or Melina, I'm speaking to you. Melina, speaking to you. Number 4 spot is a challenge that is on her Google Drive. This is from Strat for Cash, Brenna. And I designated each flower as 5. Today it got 15, so I neglected to color one in. I mean, I know you can probably hardly imagine that I would neglect to put one in there, but here we are, right? Let us use yellow. See how yellow shows up on here. It shows up. All right. Sometimes it's very hard for me to see yellow. Cool. So altogether, the challenge has 20. And we're going to put a $20 bill up in here. $20 for Strat for Cash. And the 4 spot, which will change next week, or maybe it won't. Who knows? And then this scratcher is from Hands and Bands. I've had this for a couple years. I did not play it before, didn't use it before, so it's going nicely, though it's heavy. It could be worse, right? So this challenge, I'm sorry, it got 10 today. We're adding it to what we already had, and we have 45. So we have 120 to go. And in the 6th spot today, we have beautiful savings. This is from Lily Budgets. This was a printable download. I did that. I really think it's so cute. And today it got 15. And all we have left is a 20, a 15, and a 10. I mean, not all, so I guess that's quite a lot, but yeah. And we're adding it to what we previously did. 20, 40, 50, 65. Ew. That's scrunchy 10 again. All right, still 65. In beautiful savings. Little by little, this is from Ms. Finance. And it came with, I believe there's 3 others. And after this is done, I will move on to the other one. Today, it got 23. We're going to add that in to what we previously saved. And it is 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 97. This challenge, don't know what the end goal or what the end amount is, but it's going to be pretty hefty because they're all over $10 except for the 9. So yikes, bikes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to put that down. 10. Oh, gross 10 again. All right. So still same amount. 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, 6, 7. 97 for little by little. Doing good. And coming in hot is the Lucky Scratcher. This was personally made by Erin Lynn and Philip at Without Limits Studios and Without Limits Budgets. So yeah, personal, because Lucky's is a restaurant that we go to. It's kind of local. Mwah. All right, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 is what we're putting it into it today to add to what we previously put in. We have 10, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 27. So we're going to put those two down. We're going to get a 20 and a 5. And we still have 27. So this challenge is 100. Oh, we're gonna have some big scratches. Yeah, we're gonna have some really big scratches, like in the 20s kind of scratches, at least 1 or 2. But I knew it when I got the challenge. And this one is from Carol Cash. So she has printable downloads. I have Titanic is either the second or third one that I've played. I have at least 5 of them. She has a bunch of challenges. She has quarterly challenges that I've played several times. Yeah, so I will put her in rotation. Hers are generally $300 and less. I mean, she has other challenges too, but I like the $300 and less. As you can see on there, they're 15 or 5, 10, 15. There's bonuses. So these are, yeah, they're easily manageable. Today we're putting in 5, and that's just because that's all we had left over after Miss Celeste Budget's big one. So we have 150, 170, 180, 185. So we are getting close on this one. Getting very close. 185 is not too shabby. Bringing up the rear is the water challenge, and this is for supposedly for like 1 month ahead, but I really like the teardrops. So this is from the Millennial Dollar. Melina, I put every teardrop as 5. Today I got 5, so altogether it has 15. And that does it for today's Throat Punch Thursday. Wah, 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 wah. Thank you again for joining me. I had a blast. I am going to now edit and maybe go to sleep. Who knows? I'm so tired. And I will see you tomorrow or Saturday for my bi-weekly budget video. I also have upcoming travel and holiday, and I think that's all I can think of. So I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks again for joining me. Have a good one. Gen X Budgets she's out. She's gone. She's done. She's out of there. Or out of there. She's gone.